Get rich slowly. Hi, this is Jane from TheMoneyPouch.com team. You've probably seen offers to get rich quickly all over the internet. Some of these involve being at the top of an MLM chain. Some of these require a huge time investment, whilst many others are outright scams. But how does the average family invest sensibly to save money for their children's education and set up a pension for the future? In the USA, there are 401ks and Roth IRAs for families who want to save for their heirs. In the UK and Europe, there are both a defined contribution and defined benefit pension plans, which are often tax relief pension plans. However, once you leave your home country, options are often limited. Many Americans find it difficult to open up new bank accounts, and their pension plans are increasingly being frozen due to FATCA regulations in the USA. For other nationalities, people are finding it difficult to open tax-efficient accounts offshore, or they find that investment options are limited. However, there is a safe way to start saving for your future as an expat living abroad or as a global traveler. You can invest in a robo-advisor such as The Money Pouch, which is an online wealth management service. The Money Pouch can automatically sell stocks and shares on your behalf to help you get rich slowly. If your account grows by 7% per year, it should double in value roughly every 10 years. So for every $10,000 invested today as a 25-year-old, that means it could grow to $80,000 at retirement. And this is for a very low-risk, conservative strategy. Why don't you visit our investment strategies at TheMoneyPouch.com to find out how to get rich slowly and take care of your family. Remember, it's a tortoise that wins the race. Thanks for watching our video. This is Jane from TheMoneyPouch.com. Please visit our website or download our app below.